Did your Google Chrome browser accidentally switch to a foreign language and you need to get it back to English? Here's how to navigate the settings and restore English in just a few simple clicks, even if you can't read the current language. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. It's the third option from the bottom, right above Help. Next, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the icon that has A in it. Click on it. Under the Preferred Languages list on the right, look for English. If English isn't listed, click the blue Add Languages button at the top, scroll or search for English, check the box next to it, and click Add. Now click the three vertical dots next to the newly added English, check the box to display Google Chrome in this language, and click the Relaunch button to restart your browser. Once Chrome reopens, your entire browser interface and all settings menus will be restored back to English. If this quick browser fix helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.